To breathe and really do your best to go beyond your eyes and feel your heart. Connect deeply with your own heart, with your soul, with that pure potential that you are. So go ahead and speak out loud. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for being here, took courage to show up. This is deep work, and you're willing to do it. You're willing to go deep so that you can become even stronger. I'm really proud of you. Proud of you for stepping into this. It's not for everybody. Most people are afraid to do this much work and to go this deep, but you're not. Well done. You are special. You are kind. You are generous. You are inspiring. You are enough. Even sometimes when it's hard, things happen and it's hard, you are still enough. You are a good speaker. You know how to connect to your genius. You know how to connect to your wisdom. You know how to connect with people. And when you connect this way, you will lead in a beautiful way, in a compassionate way, in an inspiring way, in an influential way. You are supposed to lead your way. No one can lead like you. No one can say it like you can. Your people will feel you and they will be there for you. They'll be there with you and they will look to you as their guide, their source of strength, their source of inspiration, courage, and commitment. This is who you are. This is who you've always been. I believe in you. Let's rock this. Deep breath in.